Every year, hundreds of millions of used paint buckets are thrown out to the dump. Challenge is how to get the paint off of them so you can use them for a practical purpose. Here, we've used these buckets for grow beds to be able to put compost in them and thus minimize the amount of energy wasted for tilling. The whole process involves putting water into buckets, allowing it to freeze, and then going and taking the ice out. And when you take the ice out, it takes the paint with it.
So it is really warming up. It's about 11 a.m. already, and it's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So definitely t-shirt weather. But let me just show you after you let this stuff sit for a little while. Lizzie, if you go along and just hit the tops like that, you can even stand up. And that'll, yeah, Autumn, you can join. What that'll do is it'll allow the ice to release, because the sunlight's going to hit these, warm up the exterior of that bucket just enough to loosen up the ice, and it falls out, and with it, all the paint's going to go too. Ta-da! And look how beautifully clean that is. No work involved, and a heck of a lot of fun. And what we'll do later, once things melt and dry out, is we'll pick up all this latex-based paint. It's non-hazardous. Woo! Look at that! Pretty cool. Uh-oh. Did you get another one? That's cool. Ooh. Oh, it's coming! Look at that! Yay! Look how clean that bucket is. When it comes time to add some fertilizer to this, we just add compost from our other greenhouse waste. So it's kind of cool. Even though it's below freezing here, the sunlight heats up the buckets. Pull the buckets right off the ice, takes the paint with you.